Good morning, students. In this section, we are going to learn History Lesson 1, that is, Outbreak of World War I and its Aftermath. Students, before entering into the lesson, please note down all the points which is presented in this video. Then only you can revise and understand the continuity of the lesson. 1914 is a turning point in world history. In 1789, war was started due to some political disputes. Later on, it broke out as World War in 1914. First, it was started like industrial war between countries. Many peoples were affected by this war. Due to this war, the political map of the world was redrawn. At the end of this war, the three major empires was shattered. Shattered means broken. The empire are Germany, Austria-Hungary and Ottomans. The biggest outcome of the war was the Russian Revolution. It was a unique event as well as the first revolution of its kind in world history. For the first time, countries tried to bring about world peace through the Leagues of Nations. So this is the introduction of World War. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn the situations leading to the outbreak of the First World War. Following that, the Russian Revolution and the formation of an international peace organization, namely Leagues of Nations. Next, scramble for colonies. Here, scramble means to move quickly. So, capitalist countries race for markets. The aim of capitalist industry was to produce more and more. The surplus wealth thus produced was used to build more factories, railways, steamship and other such undertakings. Here, revolution in the means of communication and transportation in the later half of the 19th century facilitated the process of European expansion in Africa and other places. While Asia and Africa were colonized and exploited by Europe. Within Europe, England held a preeminent position as the world leader of capitalism. An ever-growing demand for markets and raw materials made the capitalist powers race around the world for expanding their empire for exploitation. Next, rise of monopoly capitalism. After 1870, the alliance of industry and finance seeking profits in market for goods and capital, which was an essential characteristic of imperialism. Because of this, the old ideas of free trade collapsed. Next, we know what is imperialism. Capitalism inevitably lead to imperialism. According to Lenin, imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. Besides being a market for surplus goods, colonies served another purpose. Imperialism was not just about colonies. Next, we are going to see rivalry of great powers. In Europe, in the 19th century, European powers had colonized many other countries. Most of the Asian countries had been colonized. Only Africa was left. Next, because of the clashes amongst great powers, the rivalry was started. Despite the lead in industrial growth and the control of a vast empire, England was not satisfied. England was in competition with Germany and the United States, which were producing cheaper manufactured goods and thus capturing England markets. Next, the Japan entered into the World War, the rise of Japan. In Asia, Japan during this period, imitating Western nation, had become their equal in many respects. Japan took Western education and missionary. In 1894, Japan forced a war on China. The crushing defeat of China by Little Japan in the Sino-Japanese War surprised the world. Despite the warning of the three great powers, that is Russia, Germany and France, Japan annexed Liaotung Peninsula with Port Arthur. By this action, Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. Japan, however, in view of the pressure mounted by Eastern power, soon gave up its claim over Port Arthur. Russia took advantage of this and sent a large army to Manchuria. Japan entered into an alliance with England in 1902 and demanded that Russia withdraw troops from Manchuria. Russia underestimated Japan. In 1904, the war began between the two countries, that is Japan and Russia. In this Russo-Japanese War, Japan defeated Russia and got back Port Arthur. After this war, Japan entered the circle of the great powers. The next reason for rivalry of great powers is strong armed diplomacy of Japan. After 1905, Japan took control of Korean domestic and foreign policy. In 1910, Japan annexed Korea. In 1912, Japan got opportunity for further expansion in China. This strong arm diplomacy aroused the hostility of both China and the European powers. Next, colonization and its fallout. During the First World War, whole Africa was colonized by Europe. Next, Britain, France and Belgium had divided the continent between them, leaving a few areas for Germany and Italy. Next, Britain, France, Russia and Germany also established spheres of influence in China. Then, Japan took over Korea and Taiwan. The US took the Philippines from Spain. Next, causes of World War I. First, European alliances and counter-alliances. In 1900, 5 of the European great powers were divided into 2 armed camps. One camp consists of the Central Power, that is Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. The other camp consists of France and Russia. Under the guidance of Bismarck, the Central Power had formed the Triple Alliance in 1882. The understanding was that Germany and Austria would help each other. The other camp consisted of France and Russia. Their alliance was formed in 1894 with the promise of mutual help if Germany attacked either of them. An isolated Britain wanted to break her isolation and approached Germany twice, but in vain. The next cause is nationalism, violent forms of nationalism. With the growth of nationalism, the attitude of my country, right or wrong, I support it, developed. The love for one country demanded hatred for another country. England jingoism, France chauvinism, and Germany Kultur were militant forms of nationalism contributing decisively to the outbreak of war. So nationalism plays an important role for the cause of World War I. The next important cause is aggressive attitude of German Emperor. Emperor Kaiser William II of Germany proclaimed that Germany would be the leader of the world. The German navy was expanded. The sea being considered a preserve of England ever since Napoleon's defeat at Trafalgar, Germany's aggressive diplomacy and rapid building of naval bases convinced Britain that a great navy could be directed only against her. Therefore, Britain embarked on a naval race which heightened the tension between the two powers. Next, the important cause of World War I and its consequences. The assassination of the royal representatives of Austria was an incentive for the nations to smoothie Serbia. Austria imposed unacceptable demands on Serbia. Serbia was given only 48 hours to fulfill those demands. At that time, Russia supported and gave military help to Serbia. After getting support from Russia, Serbia denied the demands of Austria. As a result, the international conflict of the First World War got underway. Austria declared war against Serbia on 28th July 1914. Students, take a note. We just recall the World War I. It was happened between 1914 to 1918 in Europe between Central Powers, that is Germany, Austria and Italy, and Allied Powers, that is England, France and Russia. Next, causes of World War I. The main causes are militarism, alliances, imperialism and nationalism. Let's see one by one. Imperialism. In 19th century, Europe started industrial revolution between England, France and Germany. Because of the surplus good, they searched for markets outside Europe, that is in Asia and Africa. So, they exploited Asia and Africa. The race between England, France and Germany to acquire colonies in Asia and Africa. Because of the enmity, the war occurred in 1914. Next, nationalism. In 19th century, Europe started nationalism. The size of the nation depends on status of that nation. So, European power needs territorial expansion. The aggressive nationalism create enmity and hatred and start war in 1914. Next, militarism. It also occurred in Europe in 19th century. Militarism means the powerful military is equal to powerful nation. The powerful army needs to territorial expansion. The powerful navy needs to protect colonies. European nations have raced to increase military strength. Because of militarism, Enmity was created and hatred. The war occurred in 1914. Next is about alliances or diplomatic groupism. The Allied powers is differentiated into Allied powers and Central powers. Allied powers had France, England and Russia. In Central powers, Germany, Italy and Austria are included. First, Central powers. In Central powers, Germany, Austria and Italy are included. In 1871, Germany annexed Alsace and Lorraine from French territories. In 1879, Germany and Austria formed dual alliances to isolate France. In 1882, Italy joined Germany and Austria. So these are called triple alliances. Next, Allied powers. In Allied powers, France, Russia and England included. The isolated France needed friend, so he proposed friendship to Russia. In 1894, Russia made an alliance with France. Unsatisfied France want strong friend, so he make alliance with England. Next is about Kaiser William II. In 1888, he became an emperor of Germany. He adopted aggressive colonizing policy, thus increased conflict with England. Due to the aggressive behavior of Germany emperor, in 1904, England and France, in 1907, England and Russia became triple entity. Next, the important incident is the Balkan crisis. East European region is called Balkan, which is included in the Turkish Empire. The geographical importance and control over Mediterranean Sea, England, France and Russia interfered to Balkan politics. Austria interested to touching boundaries, but in 1908, political revolution occurred in Turkey to get independence. Taking advantage of Austria annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina, it created angry in Serbia. Next, the immediate cause of the war. Assassination of Austria Crown Prince Archduke Francis Ferdinand in 28 June 1914 by Gavrilo Princip in Sarajevo, the capital city of Bosnia. It created angry in Austria, so it declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. Next, cause of the war. On 23 July 1914, Austria gave an ultimatum to Serbia in acceptable condition. Russia promised to give military help to Serbia, but Serbia denied to accept Austria's conditions. Next, on July 28, 1914, Austria declares war on Serbia. On 29 July 1914, Russia mobilized its troops in fear of Austria's win and increase in prestige in Balkan region. Germany warned Russia to retreat troops in 12 hours. Russia did not heed to the warning. On 2nd August 1914, Germany declared war on Russia. Germany declared war on France on 3rd August 1914. Italy entered into the war in 1915 against Germany. On 4th August 1914, England declared war on Germany due to the aggressiveness of Germany. Next, entry of USA into the war. British blockade did not allow products to leave or enter Germany. So German U-boats response counter to blockade destroy all boats headed for British shores. 7th May 1915, the German submarines targeted US passenger ship. Then America warned Germany, but Germany did not heed to the warning. On 6th April, USA declared war on Germany. Next, ending of the war. So Russia exits the war. In March 1917, Nicholas II abdicates his throne. The Russian Duma continues to fight. In October 1917, Lenin, the Bolsheviks take command. The Soviet Union is created. March 1918, the Soviets and Germans signed the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, ending the war in the East. The America's entry, that is USA entry into the war, proved turning point. It strengthened the Allied powers. The Central Powers crumbled because of revolution in Austria-Hungary. Ottoman Empire surrenders. German soldiers mutiny. Public turns against Kaiser Wilhelm II. On 9th November 1918, Kaiser William abdicates the throne. At that time, new democratic government was established in Germany. This new government decided to surrender as per 14 points of American President Woodrow Wilson. On 11th November 1918, the First World War came to an end. Paris Peace Treaty was signed in 1990 in 1920. Next, effects of the World War I. Huge damage and destruction of human life and property. 1 crore soldiers and 1 lakh civilians died. Most of the young generation died in the war, which affected the future life of Europe. Industries collapsed, economic loss. Inflation, that is shortage of goods, affected life of the people. Except America and Japan, all the countries faced economic loss. Emergence of America as world power. End of royal rules, that is Russia, Germany, Austria and Turkey. Defeated nations were divided, that is Poland, Finland, Romania, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia and Yugoslavia were formed. Creation of Leagues of Nations in 1920. Students, here I gave some evaluation. Try to answer this question. How do we assess the importance of Sino-Japanese War? Name the countries in the Triple Entente. What were the 3 militant forms of nationalism in Europe? Thank you, children.